guys, I am back with another hair tutorial. I know I haven't posted for a long time, but now I'm back. And today I'm just going to do a hair tutorial. I'm going to do a bandana hair tutorial. And I'm going to be using this zebra bandana and 2 bobby pins so it won't fall. And my straightener, which is already on, it's ready to use. So let's get started with my hair. I have my mirror here. Now, this is what my hair looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my bangs. And I'm just gonna pin these so I can work with the hair. So I'm gonna use this elastic because this one doesn't really work for me. So this one's an elastic that really holds my hair. So now we're gonna start with our, I just ate and I'm really full right now. So I'm gonna start with my bun. And I'm just gonna do basic bun. Make it all. I don't like to do my buns really big. And I'm gonna use my bobby pin so I can pin this bun. So this is how I usually do my buns. I don't do it big buns. Okay, now we're gonna use this bandana, and we're going to put this, I like to put my tie in the side. You can always do it like in the middle or whatever works for you. And I like to have this little point sticking out. Now we're gonna grab our bangs and we're gonna do them on the side because I think on the side they look so much better. We'll grab a straightener and we're gonna straighten our hair. Now you really don't have to have bangs for this hair tutorial. You can just do it without bangs, but it looks pretty cute with bangs. So my bangs are kind of weird, so what I like to do is just grab this big piece that's just sticking and just stick it in the bandana, and now it looks so much better. Now this is one that I really like and enjoy. This little, you have yourself a cute bandana style. Now if you don't like this type of bandana, you can always use like this one that has an elastic. So let me show you what it looks like with an elastic.
I'm gonna have to do my bun again.
Now I got this bandana at Target, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do a bun. But you can let your hair down. It looks cute if you straighten your hair or if you already have your hair straightened. Whatever you like. Works just fine. And I have my bun. Now I have this bandana. Now I like to put it like this because just afraid it will fall. Now I'm just gonna like separate these so they will look kind of like. This is another one that I also like to wear. Simple. Now if you think the bandana is gonna fall, you can just put 2 bobby pins. Well, mine is really secure, so I'm not going to do that. So there's another one. 2 choices. If you don't like this one, you can grab another bandana, maybe with a flower bow or just a headband or whatever you guys have there. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I want to talk to you guys for a little bit. I got this email that YouTube is gonna do different policies. They're gonna change everything, and I was really disappointed when I got that email because it's really hard to get views, and they want a lot of views and a lot of subscribers, and it's really hard. I was disappointed. It sucks, I know, but I'm not gonna quit. I'm still gonna upload, and I hope there's a miracle out there that they change their minds and support us small YouTubers. And well, that's all I have to say. So don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos and see more hair tutorials and nail tutorials and my vlogs. And I will see you guys next time for more. And please subscribe, big thumbs up, and let's try to beat this policy that YouTube just thrown at us small YouTubers. So I love you guys, and we can do this. Bye guys.